Hey guys, so recently the most amazing lady called Carmen in Canada asked if I wanted a little Bath and Body Works Halloween box sending over, and at first I said no because I don't want you guys like spending your money on me and buying me things and stuff, but she kind of insisted and she made me the cutest little Halloween box of stuff. So that is what I'm going to unbox today. She didn't want me to put her links on here or anything like that, but I just want to say thank you so much to her. This is amazing. Literally the nicest thing anyone's ever sent to me, so I appreciate it so much. You're amazing. And this is what the little box looks like that she sent me, so we're gonna go through it together. We do have a Bath and Body Works here in the UK, but there's like no Halloween stuff. They have a few candles, they have a few body sprays, they have a few lotions, and that's about it. There's no other things. There's no wallflowers, there's no accessories, there's no hand sanitizers, nothing like that. So all of this stuff is so cute. So the first thing and the main thing that you probably just saw that she got me is this little skeleton backpack. He is so cute. I saw this on someone's like American unboxing video and I absolutely loved it. It's a teeny tiny little backpack. I've not undone it or anything yet, but it does have long handles, and then it's got a glow in the dark wiggly little skeleton on it, so all of his arms and legs and hands and everything move separately. It's so sweet, and it glows so bright as well. This was in the room the other day and it was literally like lighting up. It's so cute. I'll maybe try and insert a picture here now of what it looks like when it's glowing. But yeah, I love him. I think this is maybe possibly my favorite thing that she sent, if not one of them anyway. And I will show you what the inside looks like. Just a little black bag. You could definitely fit like your phone in here, a lip gloss, a hand sanitizer, you know, just a few little things, your tiny little purse and stuff. But yeah, he is so cute. So that's the first thing, a little glow in the dark spooky skeleton backpack. Next she got me a little like wallflower holder thing, I don't really know what they're called, and some wallflowers as well. So the one that she chose for me is this one. Now obviously we don't have these plugs here in the UK, so I'll have to get a converter, but that's totally fine. This one is a sparkly black colour with a golden snake on it. Again, I've never seen the wallflowers here in the UK. We have the actual like liquids, but not this part for some reason. I don't know if it's maybe because you've got to buy them online, or I have no idea, but this one is the fanciest one that I've ever seen for sure. I know they have loads of different ones over in Canada and the States at the minute. They've got like hearsts and ghosts and all kinds of things, but I love how simple this one is. It doesn't look too cheesy or childish. It's like kind of spooky but kind of pretty looking. So that is the plug-in that she got. And then she asked what kind of scents I like, so obviously if you know me you'll know I like sweet ones, food scents, fruity, that kind of thing. So she got me 3 different wallflowers to put in it. So the first one she got me is this one, which is Marshmallow Fireside. Sounds incredible. I am going to go and open these and smell them as we go so we can see what they smell like, but it says it's warm and woodsy. I love marshmallow, one of my favourite scents, so obviously she knows me very well. Let's open this and have a see what this smells like. I'm getting a cold, by the way, so if I sound a bit like blah, then that is why, unfortunately. Okay, let's open this and see. Oh, that smells amazing. Wow, do they do this in a perfume? Because if they do that in a body spray, I 100% need that. That is so nice. It's like marshmallow, but like not really sickly sweet, kind of like a perfumed marshmallow. I love that one. So that one is the Marshmallow Fireside one. I'm going to put this back on so I remember what everything is. Love that one. That is so nice. So next we have strawberry pound cake. Now I actually smell I think it was the body spray of this the other day. Well, if they have the body spray of this, hopefully they have the body spray of this one. Maybe I'll go and see after this video in Bath and Body Works. But yeah, strawberry pound cake, treats and sweets. I loved the spray of this one. So hopefully, I also love the wallflower of this one because my house is going to smell incredible. I'm going to have to buy these all the time after this when I run out, aren't I? Because if I don't, I'm just going to be disappointed that it doesn't smell like that anymore. Let's see. Ooh, the end on this one is a little squished. Hopefully that's okay. Oh. Again, amazing. Just smells like really fresh candy strawberry. Like a strawberry ice lolly kind of smell, I would say. Love that one as well. So that is strawberry pound cake, that one. And then the last wallflower we have is cherry almond shortbread. This one says fruity and bright, and this one is a new one, it says. So let's have a smell of this one. Oh, I think I need to go to Bath and Body Works after this video, literally, and buy some body sprays because I have 100 of them, but I need all of these smells. They are so nice. Love that one as well. That one was the cherry almond shortbread. That one is very, very almondy. It's like a really sweet, sugary almond kind of smell. I think out of all of them, honestly, I love the Marshmallow Fireside the most, but they're all incredible. So that is my 3 little wallflowers to go in this plug-in. Then next she got me one of the little body creams. So this one is Vampire Blood. Now I couldn't help myself when this came the other day, and I did actually try a little bit of this on my hand, and I'm not lying when I say this was on there, like the smell of this, for like 6 hours later when I went to bed. It was still so strong. This is like crazy scented. It's amazing. This is the 24-hour moisture ultimate hydration body cream with shea butter and hyaluronic acid in 70 grams. And it is just a white cream. It doesn't have a colour to it or anything like that. But oh my god, it's so thick. You probably can't really see that on camera. It's like a body butter more than a cream, I would say, in a tube. Oh, it smells so good. Does it say what the scent is supposed to be? No, just says Vampire Blood, but it's kind of like raspberry and blackberry kind of scented. It's so strong. If you layered this with the body spray, I don't doubt that you would smell like this all day. It's so nice. So that is the little moisturizer, Spooky Vampire Blood moisturizer that she sent me. And then she put some little candies in here for me. So we've got some little Chupa Chups, like blow pop kind of things, and also these little twisty lollies as well, which I love. So cute, all the decoration and stuff in here. And then next she got me this, which is a little light up and glow in the dark ghost hand sanitizer holder. I love him. He is adorable. I'm gonna literally clip this on my bag straight after the video. You can't really see it on the camera, but it's kind of like got iridescent glitter in it. It sparkles like a green and blue and stuff all over. I wish you could see. Maybe I'll try and put a picture in here of what he looks like up close, but he has a little hole in the bottom that the hand sanitizer goes into, and he also has a button and it lights up. So again, probably not going to be able to see. No, not at all. I'll put like a little video or something here now, but he lights up all little like speckles across his belly, and he also glows in the dark, again, so brightly, especially because the little light sort of lights up the glow in the dark in there, and then it just glows really crazy bright. So like I said, in the bottom you put the little hand sanitizers in there like that. So that's what he would look like on your bag. And she did get me 3 of the sanitizers. So Oh, I've just realised, I think that when you kind of squeeze it for the sanitizer, that's when it pushes the button to light him up, which is so cute. But yeah, she got me 3 sanitizers. So the first one is Into the Night. They're called Pocket Back Into the Night. Again, don't think it has a scent on this one, but we will see what it smells like. Okay, so that one is very kind of sweet perfumey, I would say, for that one. It's hard to tell because my hand smells so much like the moisturizer now, but I think that one is kind of like a sweet sort of perfume kind of smell. So that one is Into the Night. And then she also got me Black Cherry Merlot. I've had this one before. When I went to Florida, I bought some of this. I love this. It smells incredible. It's like a really bright purple colour with little dark navy blue speckles in it. I'm not going to open it just because I don't want to end up putting these like in a drawer or something to use them up and they like spill, but I know that I love this one, so very excited to have another one of those. And then the last one again is a vampire blood scent. It's got a cute little spooky bat on there. They're all antibacterial hand gels, those 3. And this one is like a really deep blood red colour, and again I think it's little like navy blue speckles in that one as well. So that is the 3 sanitizers that she got me. And then last but not least, she got me a lip gloss. So we don't have any lip gloss in the Bath & Body Works near me as far as I've seen. Again, this is the Vampire Blood scent, which sounds amazing. It just says Vampire Blood lip gloss. It's got cute little skeleton hands and a heart down here. I am going to open this and try it because I've been super excited to see what this is like. So, oh, I love that it's clear gloss as well. I was kind of expecting it to be a red gloss, but the fact that it's clear, I love that. Okay. Oh my gosh. I could eat that. It tastes exactly how it smells, like raspberries, blackberries. Oh, I love it. Amazing. So that is the little Vampire Blood lip gloss as well. So yeah, that was everything that Carmen sent to me. I absolutely loved everything. Genuinely, I appreciated it so much. I nearly cried when she sent this to me. Like, it was so sweet. So I hope she knows how much this meant. It was lovely. And I think I've got to say the little backpack is my favorite, just because he's so stupid. Like, look at his little wiggly arms and legs. They're so cute. So you'll have to let me know down below what you thought your favorite thing was, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.